Assalamu alaikum. I am Uzaira, your English language instructor. In this video, I am gonna share the concept and widely discussed concept about weather. Here the question arises, does the weather impact on person personality? Do people think weather has a strong relation between person's ability as well as his power? What do you say and what I say? In this video, I'm gonna share about it. There are different kinds of the weather, but the season is a terminology, a period of a weather that sustains for a long time. There are four seasons, winter, autumn, summer, and spring. But the number of the weathers may be existed in a country, monsoon, and the other weather as well. But the question is that do people believe the weather has a great impact on person's personality? Do people get influenced by weather? Yes, I think that because of the weather, people get changed. Their mood gets spoiled. Their mood may be constructed and may be destructed. For example, just take the example of the students. He goes to the school, he does his all work in the summer, he goes to outside for playing his physical activities. He talks, he communicates, he goes to the park, he discusses each and everything with his family. But in the winter season, his mood gets automatically changed. For example, he used to do something else in the winter and he is habitual of doing something in the summer. Because of the winter season, it is considered that a person becomes lazy. A person becomes lazy because of the demotivation. His body tries to get relaxation all over the time. For example, the student who was so active in the summer, but now he will try to make procrastination. He will be the procrastinator to be involved in the other activities. For example, he does not like to get out of the bed. He does not like to do his work because of the laziness. In this time, the parents should consider closely about the progress of the student because the winter season comes along with different diseases. A person's body get weak, get feeble, he can be weaker as well. So because of the weaker immune system, he cannot do his work properly. In this time, there is a proper recommendation to change and to control his proper diet. There should be the schedule to add some nuts and the winter season's diet in his food and three times a meal. There should be the best meal time in a day among the all meals time. Physical activities normally get reduced in the winter. That's why the indoor activities and some sort of the cognitive and the physical sort of the activity that could improve his mental and cognitive abilities could be introduced in his daily routine. Apart from this, as I told about the adult, they don't like to go to the office. They don't like to pursue their work in the winter because of the laziness, because of the extreme cold winter. That's why people prefer to delay their work. And a person normally likes to behave like a couch potato. He behaves like a silly boy, and he likes to remain in the bed all the time. He watches long-term series for everything. He likes to watch the daily soaps and he likes to do gossip with his friends. But the other opinion is that people think that if you enjoy the activity that we normally do in the summer, it's a good idea to enjoy to do some sort of the thrilling in the winter as well. For example, I have seen number of the people who goes to the ice cream parlor to enjoy the so cozy dish in the winter. I personally believe that the season and the weather also impacts on person personality. And it is also widespread belief that our media industry and our TV dramas also get very they get very there is a multiple and dynamic role that they normally play in the winter and the summer. What is your opinion? Do you get lazy or not? What's your opinion? Tell us in our comment section and I will reply you back.